L, we will call the winners for each special award. So for tonight, we have 5 awards, guys and girls. Each hunk and babe will get to receive, of course, awards and cash prizes as well. That would be the best in SBQ shirt, best in Bawang Tagalog and Filipiniana, best in DIY, best in risque silhouette, best in swimwear, and of course, we also have special award winners who will get to take home Sash gift packs from Avon and 14 Aroma Studios, a certificate, and here we go, cash prize. For the DIY segment, their handler, not only the hunk and the babe will get to take home 2,000 pesos as well. So, pag natawag yung winner for the DIY, we would also like to ask the handler, would that be okay? To come here on stage as well to receive the award. So, we would like to call in, of course, our judges. But before that, we would like to congratulate our special awardees. And just to announce, stay tuned tomorrow at 12 noon at our Summer Buddies Quest official Facebook page. We will post the poll for the poll. Sorry, we'll post the poll for the People's Choice Award. Yes, papunta na tayo doon. Mamaya-maya, mga party na tayo. Diba? Nakikita ko yung mga babes kanina, mga party na gano'n eh. Papunta na tayo dyan, maya-maya lang. Alright, the winner for the People's Choice Award will be announced at the Grand Finals. And the winner will be the one with the most likes. Tandaan nyo yan, importante yung likes nyo, guys. Susuportahan nyo yung inyong hunk and babes. Again, we will only count likes. Okay, like lang po. Walang reaction. Mabaya, maglagay kayo ng heart, maglagay kayo ng face. So yung like lang po. Yan.
Angry. Only likes lang po ang counted.
Alright, so thank you once again to our sponsors, Madison Baby Shell, Support in Aroma Studio, Marcus Artilia Group of Companies, Skull Plus, Avon. That's it for Summer Buddies Best Fashion Show. So we'd like to call in, syempre, ang ating judges in helping us award our winners.
So we would like to call on Mr. Carlo Martin, Ms. Jen Venancio, and Sir Jonathan Alegre. All of you guys, come join us here.
So, ano nga ba yung una natin i-award? Ang yun natin i-award would be the Best in SBQ Shirt Babe. And the Best in SBQ Shirt Babe is... Sino sa tingin nyo? Babe number? I heard 19, 13, 15, and she is Babe number?
She's Babe number 22.
Congratulations, Kylie! You'll get to receive Sash! Sash gift packs and cash prize from our dear sponsors. And of course, a certificate as well. Alam mo napansin ko kay Kylie, from the first segment all the way to the last segment, naka-smile siya. Kahit sa backstage. Grabe.
You remind me of a good friend from Olongapo. Maria Nino.
You remind me of, just reminding me of. Alright, and the best in SBQ shirt hunk is hunk number 20, 13, and he is hunk number 23, Aris Ronnie! Salamin. Alright, so we're down with the best in SBQ shirt. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po ulit natin our best in SBQ shirt, hunk and babe. Sino ba ito na nakikita? Tinagtakpan tayo ng mga judges. Thank you so much, judges, for helping us cover. Alright, so let's call in the best in Filipiniana. And she is babe number? Hindi ka na patatagalin pa. Swerte daw itong number na to. Number 8, Diane Chaco!
be announcing the Best in Barong Tagalog winner. The winner will receive sash, gift certificate, and some gift packs.
Yeah, from Ava, of course. We also have from 14 Aroma Studios.
Best in Barong Tagalog winner is Hunt number 24. Yes, Sapa.
Congratulations, of course, to our hunks. Number pa ni Kobe parehas 8 and 24. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, palapakan ulit natin our hunks and babes. Kasi hindi ko pa yung basketball. Alright, next up we have the best in do-it-yourself or what we call DIY. And this babe is our winner. And she is babe number? She is babe number 1, Kathleen Corral. Alright, they would like to call it, I forgot, our handler. Sino po ang handler ni Miss Kathleen Duran? Kindly go here on stage, please. Huwag na tayo mahiya. You receive as well 2,000 pesos for this award. Sino yung handler ni Miss Kathleen Bayran?
Nice.
We would like to recognize you. Or sobrang lupit ni Kathleen, siya na rin nag-DIY sa sarili niya. So, paano po yun? Sa kanya rin mapupunta pag gaganda? Ay, joke lang.
Ay, there.
Oh, there you go. Come on, sir. Wag ka lang mahiya. Thank you so much. Let's give a big round of applause for our handler. Sir, what's your name, please? Sir Nicolas. Palapakan mo natin si Sir Nicolas. And of course, Kathleen for receiving the DIY Best in Outfit Costume.
This time around, we'll be announcing the Best in Do-It-Yourself or DIY hunk or winner. And he is hunk number 10, Charlon Cuanga.
I would like to call in, of course, the handler. I do apologize for Charlon Cuanga. Where's the handler of Charlon? Send the handler, my brother. Call him. Send the handler. Here we go, sir. What's your name? John Pamintua. Palapakan natin, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. John Pamintua together, of course, with Charlon. Congratulations.
And of course, congratulations, guys. Next, we have
The best in risque silhouette for the babes. And she is babe number? Kanina ginawag niya yung swerte. Pero itong number na tumalas daw. Pero swerte ka. Number 13! April King! Certificate, sash, gift back to Marty and Sean.
This time around, we'll be announcing the winner of Best in Risque Silhouette Hunk Division. And the winner is hunk number 13, Gia Lozano.
will be the last special awardees for this afternoon, for this evening. All I gotta say is, Hunk and Babes, hindi porke hindi kayo natawag this evening, you have no chance of being the Summer Buddies Best Hunk or Babe, di ba? So, ibig sabihin lang doon, baka it's this time around, it's not your night, pero pagdating that night, break your A game, the tides may change. Alright, so without further ado, our best in swimwear for the Babes is Babe number 22, kay Eve Perez.
Definitely not the least, best in swimwear for the Hunk.
20.
And the winner is Hunk number 7. Correct.
And that's it for Summer Buddies Best Year 15 Fashion Show. Thank you so much, our judges, our Carlos, our Jonathan,